Wander with us to Tale of the Dragon in Deal's Gap.
Hey everybody, this is Robin.
And Miko.
And we're Wander Open Roads.
Roads.
Thank you so much for joining us yet again for a very special video. As motorcycle riders, we were so excited. This was one of our bucket list items, and we have conquered the dragon.
Yes, this was the ride that we were looking forward to. We've heard so much about it, and then we got to experience it for ourselves.
Absolutely. So, Tale of the Dragon is it is considered America's #1 motorcycle and sports car road, and it is US 129 in Tennessee going into North Carolina. So it's kind of bordering those areas. The road is bordered by the Great Smoky Mountains and the Cherokee National Forest. It is 318 curves in an 11-mile stretch, and it is simply beautiful. The scenic location where it's located is just really awesome, and the ride itself is challenging, exhausting, and a lot of fun.
Oh yes, and the ride there, just before you pull into the Tale of the Dragon, first of all, it's just beautiful all by itself. There's the lake, and wow, I mean, just the view from that lake, I couldn't wait to start the Tale of the Dragon, because this was like a great start.
Yes, you're right. The Little Tennessee River flows and forms the Chiloe Lake, which is the large body of water over to our right. And yeah, it was just a really beautiful view. And this is what we were riding by coming from Tennessee, from that direction toward the Tale of the Dragon, right before you get to it. And then once you clear the lake and get into the trees, then you're on the dragon.
Be sure to watch to the end, because I do some amazing camera tricks.
Yes, you do. So here we are in Robbinsville, North Carolina, technically at the end of the Dragon, and now it's time to stop off for some lunch and to check out the Tail of the Dragon store.
Inside the store are really nice custom Tail of the Dragon t-shirts and patches.
Yeah, absolutely. We had to pick up a couple of those, huh?
Oh yeah.
And across the street, we were able to stop at the Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort and General Store for a quick bite of lunch.
And they also have really nice t-shirts and patches, which we picked up some there as well.
Yep. This is really about the only overlook that you're going to find on Tail of the Dragon. You know, it's definitely worth the stop. You know, beautiful views up there.
Very beautiful, very scenic. Love it. Thanks for joining us on our ride through the Tail of the Dragon.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Be sure to check out our selection of motorcycle shirts. Links will be in the description.